Hello and welcome to Layout Inc. Today we are going to be showing you how you can utilize Canva, a beginner-friendly application that allows you to create all different types of projects with multiple different templates, and also you have the opportunity to create your own utilizing their features and elements on this application. Today we want to show you how you can utilize the elements and features on this app to create new and different types of fonts. We're going to be showing you specifically a particular element and feature. However, you can go ahead and utilize this application however you want to create all different types of projects. So today we are using the custom t-shirt template in size, because we believe this is a commonly used template, and also it allows you to kind of grasp new ideas on how you can make your own t-shirt ideas. As you can see on the left hand side, I'm scrolling through the different templates that they do have that are already custom made, but you just need to add your own text, and you can add your own elements as well. And as you can see, it's for different types of genres, different types of different demographics, and different types of designs. So again, we are using the t-shirt template because we believe that a lot of people tend to use fonts, different types of fonts, to create t-shirt designs, especially t-shirt designs that are appealing to the eye and also to grasp the attention of the customers. So I'm just adding a text, and I add a heading because I believe it's the biggest one and it's easier to maneuver, and we're just typing out layout. And we are using the Abril Fat Face font, which is the default font for the add a heading. Now, when you go into the search bar, you have the option of choosing different types of fonts, which obviously then loads into different other kinds of fonts. So I'm just scrolling through all of them, but you can choose whichever you prefer. I chose futuristic, and as you can see, there's different types of fonts: small, medium, graphic, simple, bold. I'm just scrolling through, and I choose different types just to see which one that actually takes my fancy. I choose Technocart. We choose Bungee, and then just choose Bungee. So Bungee is the font for today. Now you have the option of choosing different types of colors, moving about your font, your writing just like this, whatever you desire. And I just duplicate the font because I want to show you the before and after choosing different effects for the font today. And we will be utilizing different types of elements and effects so you can see how each one works. So I've just changed the color of my font to orange because that is the color for Layout Inc. And as you can see, we go to effects. When you click the font, press on effects, and you can go to different types of effects. You can do echo, splice, hollow, you can do neon, you can do background, you can do glitch. And also you can change the shape of your writing by simply clicking the shape, and you can change it to go around circles. If you want to do like a logo and you want the font to go around a particular shape, you have the opportunity to do so by choosing shape and also manipulating the size, the circumference as well. On this occasion, we just decided to use hollow, and with hollow, we like it because it's different, it's unique, and it's simple, especially for what we're going for today. And we changed the color to orange as well, so it all blends out together. And then I decided to just edit slightly the other fonts. If I wanted this on a t-shirt, I would want kind of like a shaded background. So I chose Lift. And with Lift, it gives you a grayed out area where it allows the text to stand out from the background. And I did this for the top layout text and the bottom layout text as well. I also duplicated the hollow effect and placed it on top because we just thought it would be lovely. Imagine this design on a t-shirt. Wouldn't you buy it? I know I would. So thank you all so very much for tuning in to today's video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!